It's time to start doing constructions in geometry, which are like basically just art class, but it's also math. So here's probably one of the first constructions that you're doing in geometry, which is copying an angle. So here's the construction example that we'll be doing in this video. And I know it's weird, there's a yellow background. So our goal in this construction is going to be to copy this angle. And the whole point of a construction is that you don't just like do it by sight. So it's not like I can just be like, oh, look at me. Oh, look, I copied the angle. See, it looks the same. Instead, what we do in a construction is we try to make it exactly like this angle, but with only a few items. So for a construction, you're allowed to use this pencil, as you can see by this little imaginary pencil. You're also allowed to use a straight edge, which, I mean, that sounds like a fancy name for a ruler, but it's basically anything with a straight edge so that you can draw straight lines on it. You're actually not allowed to measure stuff. And then finally, we're allowed to use a compass, which is this weird thing. It like draws circles and stuff. So how are we going to copy this angle? Well, first of all, we need to draw our bottom line here. So let's just go ahead and draw a random line over here. This is where we're going to draw our new angle. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our compass and we're going to draw an arc on this angle. So we're going to bring our compass over here. We're going to put it on our corner of our old angle, and we're going to move our pencil to wherever we want. It doesn't really matter. And then you're going to lock your compass in this position. This is kind of an important thing because you want to make sure you have the same compass length when you're drawing different things. So we're just going to go ahead and draw a little arc here, like this. So now that we've drawn an arc, we need to draw an arc of the same length on our new line. So we're going to start our compass right here, and we're going to draw an arc like this. So now we have two identical arcs. We've drawn an arc on our old angle, and then we have an arc of the same length on our new angle. And remember that our goal is to draw the same exact angle. We want to copy the angle that we have here. So now that we have identical arcs, to get the same angle, we just need to figure out where to draw our line on our new angle. And so to do that, we need to do a little measuring with the compass. So I'm going to unlock our compass, and we're going to spread out the compass across our new arc like this. So right now our compass is spread out in the perfect length for our angle. So let's go ahead and lock it, and we're going to move it to our new angle, and we're going to mark where that is. So we're going to go ahead and draw just a little tick here, and this will show us where our line is supposed to be on our new angle, which means our final step is to just pull out our straight edge, or which can be a ruler or whatever you're using that has like a straight edge. That's why it's called that. And we're going to use this just to draw a straight line between our point and our tick mark here. So I have this lined up here, and I'm just going to draw a line from our point to our tick mark. And congratulations, you've now made a copy of that angle. So there you go. You've now done your possibly first construction. I don't know. But there are many other important constructions to do with angles. And one of them is to construct an angle bisector. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can watch this video right here. And as always, if you have any questions about this video, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer your question. Thanks for watching.